Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Android home setup look like this, something minimal like this, or any other type of home screen setup without any much hassle. So all you need to do is go to Play Store and let me search here and search for an application called Palette. As you can see here, it is. Just download this and install it. I've already installed it. Open this app, and in this app you can see there is a lots of home screen setups. You can choose from it, you can select it, and it will show you what type of launcher you want, what type of wallpaper, and which wallpaper it is, from where you can get this, what is the app. And most of these are paid, but you can sort it from here, and you can see you want free or all. Just select free, and then it will show you the home screen setup which don't need much paid applications in that. So if you can click on this, you can see it will tell you to download a Nova launcher, some kind of, this is Material UI. It's also free, and you can get KWGT fonts, which I think paid, but you can download it and wallpaper from here. So this app can help you to up your home screen setup, and you can do it for free or paid, whatever you like. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in next video.